Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make these little flowers. They are very easy and fast to make, and you can use on your next project. Then now I will show you a few materials that we will need. In real life, you can make these flowers with whatever yarn that you prefer. On my case, I will use Eulalie brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn. And I will use 1.50 millimeters hook. You can use whatever hook that you prefer, depend of the yarn that you will use. If you want to buy the same yarn with us, you can visit our website GretaWings.com and you can find it there. Then let's see how to make these flowers. I will start using yellow colored yarn, and on round 1 we will make just 2 rounds. We will start with a magic rain and 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can close the magic rain. Now we will close this round, but at the same time we will change to white colored yarn. You can cut this yellow colored yarn because we don't use again on this flower. Now we will use white colored yarn. And you can mix whatever colors that you prefer. Now the slip stitch. And now we will repeat 5 times. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. 2 half double crochet in the first chain. I will take the loop that has a chain on the back, but you can make both half double crochet on the front of the chains, however you prefer. And 1 slip stitch on the next point. And that's it. We will repeat the same 5 times in total. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. 2 half double crochet in the first chain. 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch in the next point. Then I will repeat exactly the same 3 times more. When I finish the repetition number 5, I will make 1 slip stitch in the first slip stitch on this round, or in the slip stitch that we made for close the first round. Whatever place that you prefer will be okay, just close. And now, on my case, I don't need leave a long yarn for sew it, depend of the project that you made. But on my case, later I will make the union with another project using glue. Then for that reason, I just secure using the same yarn. White with white or yellow with yellow, however you prefer will be okay. Just secure and cut the yarn. And that's it. I'm already finished these little flowers. I told you. They are very easy and fast to make. I'm already made 3. I will be using on the next project on some Funkos. Then I hope and you like it. And if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next project, bye bye!